Today is Tuesday, June 12th. The time is 10:26 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Gold Standard Football Break, break number 22. Good luck, everybody. First card, Panthers, D'Angelo Williams, serial numbered 43 out of 299. Next for the Seahawks, rookie, Doug Baldwin, serial number 228 out of 299. Raiders, legend, Bo Jackson, serial numbered 167 out of 299. Miami Dolphins, legend, Bob Greasy, serial number 18 out of 25. Gold Leaf Stars, Falcons, Matt Ryan, serial numbered 150 out of 299. Gold Leaf Rookies, Randall Cobb, Packers, serial number 241 out of 299. Next we have Hall of Fame, Warren Moon, Oilers, jersey, serial number 281 out of 299. Gold Leaf Rookies, Dolphins, Daniel Thomas, jersey, serial numbered 32 out of 299. We have a redemption, we'll do that last. Luke Stocker, Buccaneers, autograph, serial numbered 26 out of 499. Cowboys, Dwayne Harris, autograph, serial numbered 152 out of 499. Marquise Colston, Saints, serial number 250 out of 299. The redemption is for RPS Rookies Gold, card number 260. RPS Rookies Gold, card number 260 is Mark Ingram, Saints. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for 2011 football, I have a Panini Certified football break, also listed for football, the brand new 2012 Bowman Signatures football, and I will be listing additional box breaks tonight throughout the week.